Welcome to part 2 of Future Focus's look at predictive maintenance for trucks. It's more than likely that the average truck has at least one fault at any given moment. The question becomes, how do you deal with it? Is it a repair that can be put off, or does the truck need to come off the road right this minute? Predictive maintenance can help prepare you for these tough decisions. This technology also opens up exciting possibilities for the future. For instance, as the technology evolves, there's a good chance predictive maintenance will one day be able to incorporate outside data, such as road conditions, predicted traffic, and weather patterns into its predictions. You can read more about that online at the link in the video description. But this is still a long way away, and in the meantime, there's always the possibility of a false indicator, which would not just be an error, but would be potentially harmful to your business. Spending extra money and taking a truck off the road unnecessarily is the last thing any fleet needs. So when you're shopping around for a data-driven maintenance solution, be sure to ask the vendors all the questions you could think of to understand their methodology and what the data is telling you. For more on predictive maintenance, check out this month's issue of Fleet Equipment, where I talked with David Wengler, the president of TMW Systems, about how predictive maintenance can level the playing field between fleets of all sizes. So keep an eye out for that, and join us for our next episode of Future Focus.